Hi kids, how are you? I hope you are all safe. Are you read the newspaper? Did you watch television news? Okay. You should listen and follow all the instructions given by the health experts and our police department. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Always keep hygiene, wash your hands with sanitizer, don't go outside to keep social distance and you should wear mask. Okay. Today is the 7th period of our English class. Everyone is welcome to today's class. Before entering to our class, I want to say something. The work given by me in the last class, some kids showed their writings. Some others did not show anything they returned. This is not possible here. It is not good for children. Okay. Children, you need to understand the difficulties in the online classes. Therefore, the instructions given by teachers, you must be strictly followed. Okay. You must strictly followed. Kids, let's revisit the story. Okay. Who was the king and kingdom? Who was the king? Yes, Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was very old and had no children. He decided to conduct a test for finding his successor. The king distributed seeds to the children. Pingala also got the seed. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, he got the seed. Pingala sowed the seed, but it did not sprout. Pingala was unhappy, but he went to the palace. The king asked Pingala, what? Yes, why did you come with an empty pot, my child? The king asked Pingala, why did you come with an empty pot, my child? Did your seed not grow into a plant? Did your seed not grow into a plant? Children, will the king be angry with Pingala? Will the king be angry with Pingala? Let us see what happened next. Okay. Kids, did you see the picture that I posted above? What do you see in the picture? Yes, the boy. The boy Pingala. Pingala held his head down and he was speaking with the king. He was speaking with the king. He was talking with the king. You have any idea what he said? You have any idea what he said? What Pingala said? Okay. Now let's read on the passage. Your textbook, page number 17. A smile. Pingala held his head down and said, "Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best to grow the seed. I gave the best soil and manure to it, but the seed did not grow." A smile appeared on King's face. Once again, I read the passage. A smile. Smile means punchiri. Pingala held his head down and said, Pingala held his head down. Head down means tala kumbiduga. Hold one's head down means tala kumbiduga. Then he said, forgive me, forgive me. Forgive me means ക്ഷമിക്കുക, മാപ്പാക്കുക. Your Highness. Forgive me, Your Highness. ക്ഷമിക്കണം തിരുമേനി. I tried my best to grow the seed. I tried my best to grow the seed. I gave the best soil. I gave the best soil and manure to it. You know the meaning of soil and manure. Okay. but the seed did not grow. A smile appeared on King's face. Then a smile appeared. Appeared means pratyakshapettu. Appeared on King's face. Children, why did Pingala hold his head down? Why did Pingala hold his head down? Yes, he was afraid. He was afraid. Afraid means ഭയന്നുപോയി. He thought that the king would be angry with him. The king would be angry with him. Angry means ദേഷ്യം. He thought that the king would be angry with him. Then, why did the king smile? Why did the king smile? Yes. At last, he found an honest boy. At last, the king found an honest boy. Children, did the king find his successor? Did the king find his successor? Okay. Then, who is the king's successor? Who is the king's successor? Let us see what happened next. Okay. Did you see the picture that I posted above? What do you see in that picture? Yes, the king hugged the boy. The king hugged the boy. Hugged. He hugged Pingala, isn't it? Yes. Then something is announced, isn't it? Yes. Now I read the passage. The prince. He hugged Pingala and announced, "Here is the crown prince. I had given everyone roasted seeds which would never grow. Only this boy is honest. I am sure one day he will rule this kingdom justly." Once again, I read the passage. The prince, he hugged. He hugged. Hugged means ആശ്ലേഷിക്കുക. And announced. Here is the crown prince. I had given everyone roasted seeds which would never grow. I had given everyone roasted seeds. Roasted seeds means വറുത്ത വിത്ത്. Which would never grow. Only this boy is honest. I am sure one day he will rule this kingdom justly. Kids, the king gave roasted seeds to the children. Yet they came up with flowery plants. How did they grow the plants? You know the answer? രാജാവ് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വറുത്ത വിത്തുകളാണ് നൽകിയത്. എന്നിട്ടും അവർ പൂക്കളുള്ള ചെടികളുമായി വന്നു. അവർ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെടികൾ വളർത്തിയത്? Can you say? When they found the seeds were not sprouting. Seeds were not sprouting. They changed the seeds. Thus they proved that they were dishonest. Okay. Children, have you ever sown a seed? What things are needed for the growth of a seed? Yes, manure, sunlight, water and soil. These things are needed for the growth of a seed. Okay, children. Today's task is following your textbook page number 25. Your first task is Pingala sowed the seeds in a pot in his garden. Have you ever sown seeds? You know the answer. Manure, sunlight, water, soil. These things are needed for the growth of a seed. What are the activities connected with cultivation? Some activities related to cultivation are given below. Match the pictures with the action by drawing lines. Okay, then you arrange the activities in the proper order. First activity is on page number 25, textbook page number 25. What are the activities connected with cultivation? Some activities related to cultivations are given below. Match the pictures with the action by drawing lines. Then arrange the activities in the proper order. Then your second activity is on page number 27. There is a picture. Okay. What do you see in the picture? Yes, children and their parents. What all things do you see in the shop? What all things do you see in the shop? Yes, there are books, balls, bats and many other things. Do you see a shopkeeper there? Do you see a shopkeeper there? No, there is no shopkeeper. Children, can you buy things without a shopkeeper? Can you buy things without a shopkeeper? How? Yes. Choose your items and put the exact price in the box. There is a box. Cash box. Isn't it? Do you see in that cash box in that picture? Yes. The shop. In this shop, there is no shopkeeper. Then choose your items and put the exact price in the box. Children, you should write a short description of the honesty shop. About this honesty shop, you should write a short description. Okay. Then your next activity is on textbook page number 28. There is a project work for you. King Vidyadhara spent a lot of time tending his garden and planting the finest flowering plants. Which are the plants and trees seen in your surroundings? Which are the plants and trees seen in your surroundings? Then visit a garden near your home and fill the columns below by writing the names of the plants and trees you see there. Okay. You should fill up these columns. First column fruit trees, second one vegetables, third one flowering plants, then fourth one medicinal plants. Then you write 3 sentences about any of the plants. Okay. You should write 3 sentences about any of the plants. Then next task is page number 29, my words. Complete the word ladder with the help of the clues given below. Here are some clues. You should fill in the blanks and complete the word ladder. First one, dash is the bus policy. Second one, I have a 2 dash old sister. Then dash makes plants happy and healthy. Dash is the home of birds. Dash gives us fruits and shade. A dash is seen inside the fruit. Okay. Then your last task is on page number 30. Fill in the blanks with words from the story, The Seed of Truth, and write them in the columns provided. Okay. You know the events and you should fill up these blanks. Then write them in the columns provided. Write the letters found in the circles together. You will get a quality of Pingala. Okay. First one, dash is the king of Gandhara. Who is the king of Gandhara? You know the answer. Second one, the king wanted to find a dash. What? Yes. Dash is the poor farmer's son. Who is the poor farmer's son? What was the name of the boy? Okay. The king distributed dash to the children. What he distributed? Okay. The king arrived to look at the dash. The children put on their dash clothes. The children put on their dash clothes. Put on means to wear. Children wearing their dash clothes. The king was happy to see the dash pot. Then you write the letters found in the circles together. You will get a quality of Pingala. Children, do you understand today's class? I hope you understood. Okay children, today's English class is winding up. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and goodbye until you see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.